Happy Wednesday, everybody. This is your art class for today. And today we're actually just going to make a very nice thank you card. We're going to need a piece of paper and our crayons. Just in case you want to know how to write something ahead of time before you put it down in the card, you can use a pencil and a piece of lined paper, and your grown-up can help you if there's other things you want to say. So I'm going to move my computer in just a minute, but I'm sure most of you have noticed in the last couple weeks that it's been a little smoky outside, and that's because there are fires farther away from us, so we don't need to worry, but close enough that we can smell the smoke. And they were big enough that they needed a lot of firefighters to fight them. They were over in the woods near the ocean, near the coast, and it took a lot of firefighters to put them out, and they worked very hard. And so we are going to make thank you notes for our firefighters. So the easiest thing to do is just to take your paper the long way and fold it in half, and that makes a nice card. Oops, I need to do this again because I didn't line up my corners super great. Okay, so here we go, and it's going to open like this, right? Like a book would open. And this is a thank you card. So on the front, we're just going to write thank you. So I am going to tip this down so you can see. You can pick any color you want. I might stay away from yellow only because it's hard to see. Okay, and I'm going to write thank you here. Now you can make your letters simple. You can make them fancy, right? It's up to you. And we're going to write thank you. Now, thank is one word. And you is another word. They're two separate words. We say them together, but they're two separate words. Right? Thank you. That's what we're going to put on the front. If you want to put other pictures of other nice things on here, you can. This is a thank you card for firefighters. This is a thank you card for firefighters, and we want to make sure that the stuff we put on there is something that they would like. So something pretty. They're probably used to looking at fires and things, and so we'd want to give them something fun to look at. So, for example, rainbows and kittens and, you know, pretty sparkly things. Okay, right? Something nice. And then when we open it up, we will say what we're thanking them for. So I'm going to pick a different color, but something that can be easily seen. And I'm going to put up here, we're going to say thank, right, you for keeping us safe. Okay, and there's a period. So thank you for keeping us safe. If you want to write something else, you can. And then at the very end, or just draw pictures. You can draw pictures of the firefighters working, a pretty forest, some lovely animals. And then here down here you would write sincerely if you want, or love if you want. It's up to you. Sincerely. You can also write your friend, something like that. And I'm going to write my name. Now you'll notice I'm going to write my first name and my last name. because I'm not the only Stephanie out there, right? But if I put my last name, that's a lot more specific. So I'm going to write Stephanie Seeger. And so I'm going to fill in the front of my card and the inside of my card with things that I think the firefighters are going to like. And when at our next drop-off pickup day, which is probably going to be in about a week and a half, you can include this with the things that you drop off, and I actually have an address where I'm going to send all of our cards. Okay, so that's what we're doing for art today. Super simple, but you know, when someone does something nice for you and the firefighters are doing an amazing thing by keeping us safe, then we definitely want to find a way to say thank you. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.